YouTube, it's your girl Jayla, and I am back with another video. And today I am going to be unboxing the Bauer multi-pod 6-in-1 tripod selfie stick and the clip-on ring light, and it's also rechargeable. But first I'm finna unbox this one. I got both of these from Best Buy, and I'm very excited about this. And basically what this does is it has a remote shutter release. It extends from 7-inch to 36 inches for smartphones, cameras, and GoPods. Great for blogging, live videos, video chat, social media, and live streaming. And $25, can't beat this. So we finna unbox it. Let's see. Got the micro USB-C. Got the piece for the GoPod mount. Piece that you clip on. Let's see. And here we go. Got the tripod with the remote. Bluetooth remote to take the picture. Wow, this is okay. See how. Okay, so I can do, and it's also a selfie stick. It's also a selfie. So as you can see, as I'm holding it, you can extend. And I'm moving, by the way. I'm finna get ready to move into my home. That's why it looks a mess in here. All the dishes and bags and stuff like that. But, and then set it out. I gotta test this some more. I really do need to test this. But wow, this is perfect for my vlogging, because my tripod that I currently have now is good, but I want something more taller, more compact, and then I broke the little stick that was on there, so yeah, that wasn't a good idea. Clip this on here for the phone. I'm gonna have to do some more testing on it, you know, but basically what you do is you just lift this up and you put the phone in there. Kind of struggling here. I have another iPhone 8. And basically you just set it out and you take the little picture. Like, it's really long. And then, like, when it comes to trying to take, like, videos or whatever, like it's real simple and easy. Like, I really like this thing. Like, it's the video is, like, I really do like this thing. I can have it lower, that way people won't be thinking nothing or anything like that. Then it also comes with this. I gotta connect it so it can, you know, take the pictures. But I'm gonna have to test this out some more and see. So right now, I'm fit to put this down and unbox this. So the ring light, my sister also has one, and she loves her light. So here we go. I'm always struggling to get these things off of here. And then it gets brighter and brighter. Like, wow. Like, let me take this off. Clip. Okay, turn it on. The light is right back here. All you gotta do is click it 3 times for it to get bright the first time, bright the second time, brighter the third time. So we finna test it out. Okay, I'm just finna test it out. Make sure it's not blocking the camera or nothing. Okay. Like, and you see it's bright. It's bright. See how that went. Wow. But okay. I'm gonna have to start. I'm gonna be taking a bunch of selfies, and I'm gonna be vlogging with this. So this is, oh, I'm definitely gonna be vlogging with this. Definitely gonna be vlogging with it. And it also, when you open this up, it comes with a little light USB cord to charge it up as well. So batteries for what? This is really, really good. Now I ain't gotta worry about buying no batteries ever. So this is good. And you just take it and you just plug it right in here to charge it. And then plug it up into any port that you have. Any block, anything that you have to charge it up. And that's basically it. Wow. Okay, I did that. But I'm gonna be testing this out. I'm gonna be testing this, and I will be doing another video on it. So stay tuned for that, and follow me on Instagram at _JLove, and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for more notifications of when I post more videos, and stay tuned. I will be back. That's all. Peace.